Welcome to today's Traders Market Map, guys. My name is Patrick Ray, and today we are going to be looking at the foreign exchange market, the indices market, the commodities market. So let's look at what we have in most of the financial instruments in the coming weeks and months. So now there's been a whole lot of talks going on saying, is the dollar getting weaker? Is the dollar going back to zero? All of that. So right now I'm going to be like dissecting it. Let's know the proper directional bias for gold, dollar, and other currencies. So let's move over to the chart. You can see that the dollar index is actually very much is bullish on the most immediate trend. So the most immediate trend on the dollar index is bullish. If we are to use our Fibonacci to go from, okay, let's say swing low, this is swing low, this is swing high, we'd see that price is actually currently trading on the discounted price. Do you get? So the fact that price is trading on the discounted price is giving us an intel that price is likely to reverse to the upside. And what is that saying? If price is reversing to the upside from this level, that's telling us that other pairs that are trading opposite dollar is going to be selling to the downside. So now looking at what's happening on the monthly, let's go to the weekly to confirm if this our direction is yet confirmed. So now looking at the weekly time frame, I'm actually expecting price to buy from here, but price has not invalidated any high from here. What we could see from this level is price rejecting all of this level and not breaking down. So due to the fact that price closed from this level with a wick, that's tell us that okay, the next candle should actually buy to the upside. So the next candle opening, if we have a bullish engulfing to this weak candle or a momentum candle, that's to tell us that the dollar index is likely to have a short-term buy to the upside. And if it invalidates this particular high, then we are going to be having a long-term buy to the upside. So now the current projection for DXY is we are still looking at buying to the upside because price is currently trading at the discounted price of the monthly swing leg. You understand? So due to the fact that it's trading at the discounted price, that's tells us that price is likely to reverse from there to the upside. So let's look at what we have in gold. So coming to gold on the monthly time frame, we could see that your gold has just been spooling to the upside from 2000 and 2001, 2002. It's just going to go retrace and continue, go retrace, continue, and all of that. So looking at this now, everybody feels like okay, we're probably not going to have a deep retracement, but that is a lie because the markets will always break structure, give a retracement, and give a continuation regardless of whichever market condition we find ourselves. So now looking at what we have in gold on the monthly time frame is not very clear here. The trend is not very clear here because we are just seeing candles. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what we have. So looking at the weekly time frame, we could see that this price is still very much bullish. So what are we supposed to do, guys? We are supposed to look for buy opportunities. The only reason why we should start looking for selling opportunities is if price invalidates this low, and we are not having any signal currently yet for price invalidating the low. So guys, our next level target for gold is 6,000. Oh yes, you heard it here first. Our next level target for gold is 6,000. Now the only reason why we are not going to be buying to 6,000 is if price invalidates 4,200. So if we still have price trading above there, that means we are looking at buying to the upside, and our next level target should be 6,000. So what you have to do now is go on your lower time frame, look for your entry model that is going to buy price to the upside. So let's do US30. So what do we have on US30? We could see okay, Dow Jones index. So look at what we have here. This price is just very bullish. It's just buying. It's just buying. So this is a monthly time frame. It's going to the upside. So let's look at the trend we have here. So the trend on the weekly time on the weekly time frame here is still very much bullish. We are not having any sign of reversal yet. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to go to the lower time frame. So looking at the current reaction on the weekly on this level, looking at the current reaction on the weekly from this level, you could see that, okay, price is actually reacting from this key level. So I'm expecting a buy continuation from here. So where is the next level target for US30? The next level target for US30 is 50,000. Guys, you heard it here first. Next level target for US30 is 50,000. So all you have to do now is go on your lower time frame, look for buy opportunity that is going to buy to 50,000 on US30. Thank you, guys. So I think we should do one currency pair and we'll call it a day. So let's do one currency pair. Let's do GBP USD. What do we have in GBP USD? Coming to the monthly time frame, we could see that this trend is actually very much bearish on the monthly time frame, because this is a possible retracement to this swing leg, as you can see here. So price could actually exhaust from here and continuously sell to the downside. But because we are having this on a higher time frame, it's very difficult to actually ascertain if this is going to hold on the long run. You understand? But then, as professionals, we always know what to do, when to get in and when to get out. We just need to have a proper directional bias clear in our head. So what are we supposed to do next? Now, looking at the fact that okay, I think I'm seeing something good here. So if this monthly candle closes below here with this week, that means we are going to be selling in the coming months to this level. So let's go to the weekly to see what we have on the weekly. So yeah, so now looking at what's happening here on the weekly, price is actually supposed to break out from this level with a body of the candle, but the fact that price is not breaking out from that level with the body of the candle is giving us an intel that we are possibly having a reversal from that level. So now if this market closes with this week on a monthly time frame, the next level target for GBP USD is this level. We have this as a first level target. 1.35614. We have this as in second next level target, 1.33482, and we have this as next. If price invalidates either of this level with an aggressive move that's closing below those levels with the body of the candle, then we should be rest assured that price is actually selling down to this level, 1.30074. So ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. If we close from this level with the wick of the candle, we are expecting GBP USD to sell to this first level, 1.35614. And if it sells there and closes aggressively with the body of the candle, we are expecting it to sell down to 1.33482. And if the same thing happens on that level, then we are expecting it to sell to 1.30074. Thanks, guys. So all you have to do now is go to your entry time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. I don't know what you guys go to do on 15 minutes or 5 minutes for entries, because bro, what are you doing on the 1 minute time frame for entries? But that's by the way. I actually look for my entries on the 4 hours or the 1 hour time frame. I don't go below the 1 hour time frame for my entries. So just go on either of your lower time frame, whichever time frame you use for your entries. Look for setups that's going to sell to the levels, these levels I just marked, and do well to subscribe to this channel. So if you have any other pair you'd always want me to analyze and look up to, do well to put it in the comment section. Thank you for joining today's market analysis, and I'll be looking forward to do more of this. Let's grow together.